Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly video update. It is the week of Monday, June 7th. My name is Rebecca Morris. I'm the president and the founder of the Arizona Builders Exchange. And what we're trying to do with these videos is kind of highlight some of our experts. I've got Kristen and Jeffrey with me today. And they'll bring forward some project opportunities, some news, and hopefully help our Arizona architecture, engineering, and construction folks find maybe a new opportunity and some future work. So with that, I'll turn it over to Kristen Amato, our senior public side researcher. Tell us about a few projects, whether it's updates or open procurements. What have you seen in the last week?
Yeah, so I have a little bit of both today. The first one on my list is with the City of Flagstaff. They are requesting RFQs for design services for the Wildcat Hill Water Reclamation Plant Digester Complex. This project will include a new digester complex building and the addition of new digesters at the existing water reclamation plant. There is a virtual pre-submittal meeting scheduled for mid-June, and then those RFQs are scheduled to be due at the end of the month. This project has an expected valuation of $8.8 million. Next, the Department of Veteran Affairs is requesting IFBs for Electronic Health Records Modernization infrastructure upgrades at the Carl T. Hayden Medical Center in Phoenix. This project includes general construction, alterations, mechanical and electrical work, utility systems, as well as demolition and removal of existing structures at 13 buildings on the campus. They do have a site visit scheduled for later this week, and then those IFBs are going to be due in early July. Per the IFB, this project has a valuation range of $10 to $20 million, and Concourse Federal Group is the design firm for that project. And then the next active solicitation that I have on my list for today is with the City of Phoenix. They have an RFQ out for CMAR services for the Deer Valley Water Treatment Plant Rehabilitation 2019. This RFQ is actually a re-advertisement. So this project will include rehabilitating the raw water pump station, solids handling facility, as well as various other areas of the water treatment plant. They do have a virtual pre-submittal meeting scheduled for mid-June, and then those RFQs are going to be due in late June. And this project has a valuation of $32 million, and Wilson Engineers is the design firm for that project. And then I do have a few updates for today as well. Design is underway for a new multi-use building at the Flagstaff Pulliam Airport. Per the project architect, APMI, design is scheduled for completion around the end of 2021, with contractor selection occurring thereafter. That project has an estimated valuation of $9 million. And then another update I have for today, Pace Advanced Water Engineering has been awarded a $4.1 million contract for the Tri-City Regional Sanitary District wastewater collection and treatment system phase 1. The intent of this project is to address the need for wastewater treatment to provide services for residents and businesses that have failing or substandard septic systems. The contract is currently awaiting approval from the USDA Rural Development. Once that takes place, they'll then move into engineering studies and design. The first phase of this project has an expected valuation of $28.2 million.
Cool, thank you for those. Jeffrey, are you on the line?
Yes, I am.
All right. I don't think I would know what to do if you ever went silent on me. You're always there. So thank you for that. All right, I'm pulling up our BEX platform for major construction projects in Arizona. I'm looking at 3759, the Ashley. What can you tell me about this project?
The Ashley is an upcoming 78-unit townhome development in Chandler. The new community will consist of a mixture of 1, 2, and 3-bedroom units and will feature private backyards and 2-car garages for each unit. Porter Kyle is the developer and will be utilizing their internal design and construction teams for the project. The project will still have to be approved by Chandler City Council before construction may begin.
Perfect. And looks like we've got some plans, amenity plans, site plans, and then narratives and staff reports in there. So good project. All right, moving on. 3760 Chandler Air Park Tech Center. What can you tell me about this one?
So this one is also located in Chandler. The Chandler Airport Technology Center will be a 2-phase, 425,000 square foot industrial park. The project will be split into 2 phases of 2 buildings each for a total of 4 buildings that will utilize tilt-up and metal panel construction methods. Clarius Partners is the developer, and they have selected LGE Design Build Group for design and construction services. A timeline for construction has not yet been established.
Okay, perfect. And again, same thing. We've got the map location, we've got the plans and specs, all the renderings we have in there, city documents, and the big one, the contact information. Good, yeah. Thank you, Jeffrey. Do you have any updates to share with us as well?
Yes, I have 3 updates today. The first is on project 1467 Eco Mesa. Now finally has a construction time. After several delays, it is now expected that Wilming Construction will start work on the project in September of this year. Then the next one is for project 2504, the Oro Valley Villas, which is a multifamily project in Oro Valley, which will now begin construction by the end of June. BFL Construction will be performing the work on that one. And finally, project number 3426, Oro Apache, is now expected to start construction in Q1 of next year. Trinsic Residential is both the developer and general contractor for that project.
Perfect, thank you. Thank you for those, Jeffrey and Kristen. If you'd like more information on any of the specific projects we mentioned, or more general information about any of the services we provide, whether it's the Twice Weekly News Magazine, the online BEX platform, or our industry events, you can find all of our contact information on our websites as bex.com, data-bex.com, or bex-events.com. Thanks so much. We'll see you again next week.